The beauty, life, and performance of our furniture is not just our wood selection or craftsmanship, but in the parts that bring the pieces together. Many of our furniture pieces require bending various wood species that go from solid hardwood to a bendable state using our steam processes, all without electricity and the help of diesel engines and steam boilers. Wood selections are kiln-dried at nearly 150 degrees, then placed in a steam-filled enclosure where they become very pliable. Next, wood is placed in molds where it becomes spindles for chairs, table aprons, and many other furniture parts. They are then put through a drying process to ensure that the parts keep their shape for the lifetime of the furniture. In our fabrication shops, our metal and steel table parts and furniture accents are pounded by hand and welded by master Amish welders and fabricators to provide quality as well as beauty. These parts are ground down to a smooth finish, painted, and sent to our wood shops to be added to the furniture. While these processes take time and skill, there is nothing that compares to the exceptional build quality and eye-popping look of all of our furniture pieces. Discover the best selection of furniture anywhere, only at the Amish Furniture Gallery and unpluggedfurniture.com.